Jadi kapan minumnya?
Eh,
Kapan minumnya?
tenggang waktu 20 menit lah.
Oh, oh, oke
Mm.
ya.
Jadi kita sudah
Oh,
rasakan bahwa makanan itu telah di lambung. Jadi enzim-enzim pencerna jangan kita kita tolong pula dengan dorongan air. Justru itu
ya,
justru itu
iya,
memberatkan mereka bekerja.
iya
Karena
benar.
esen makanan menjadi encer, mereka
Iya,
kesulitan, lalu mereka kan mempunyai timing kerja yang teratur.
iya
Nah,
benar.
ketika esensi itu terlalu cair, mereka akhirnya ya sudah, ini pekerjaan kita selesai, mereka oper saja langsung ke bagian yang lain,
Iya
sehingga
benar.
sehingga ginjal kita keberatan bekerja karena banyak lagi yang mesti disaring,
Iya, iya
sehingga
benar.
pankreas kita juga seperti demikian. Itu sebabnya pankreas boleh gagal.
Iya
Hmm.
benar. Jadi mak 30 tahun, masya Allah.
Iya, iya, iya.
You you understand that he said that maybe you have not noticed, or maybe you don't know. So another thing about him when he eats is that he doesn't drink at all while he eats.
What about me? Tell him. What don't I do the same?
Yes, yes, I know.
You tell him.
Yeah, Isa juga begitu Pak. Dia ketika dia makan dia tak suka minum dulu.
Oh iya, iya, iya.
Iya, iya, iya.
Itu paling bagus.
30 minutes
Iya,
after
iya,
half an
iya.
hour.
30 menit
Ah,
biasanya
sama
baru dia
sama
minum.
ya.
Iya, begitu
Ya.
ya.
Saya darurat 20 menit, tapi biasanya di atas 30 menit.
Iya, iya. He said if he's like really desperate,
Yes.
he will wait till 20 minutes. If not,
Correct.
it will be more than 30 minutes.
Me?
And he has been
Mashallah.
practicing it for over 30 years.
Yes. While me, if I am too desperate, I may break this rule. But
Yeah.
if it is hot drink teh halia, maybe 10 minutes because I okay.
Ya.
Iya,
Iya,
iya.
iya.
Kalau teh
Nih.
jahe,
Jahe ya.
iya, dia akan minum dalam masa 10 menit.
Ya nanti, karena nanti kalau dingin tak enak ya.
Agak.
Eh,
Iya, benar. Ya.
dingin tak
You
enak.
know, this is a fact. I always teach also children. You're
Yes.
correct. I
Yes.
always no drink water air.
Hmm.
Kadri Medina, no. You must eat first then wait.
Iya.
Iya.
Yeah. Tell me.
Anak-anak juga dilatih supaya tidak minum ketika makan.
Iya, iya, iya. Itu cara benar.
Jadi sudah terbiasa.
Iya, iya. Itu cara benar.
Iya, benar.
Oh, because I not eat.
Padahal ini semua sudah jadi sunnah, tapi sekarang baru secara saintifiknya diberikan kan?
Iya, iya, betul. Akhirnya eh, eh, kita ramai-ramai lagi mengulang kan.
Iya.
Kalau saya memang dari dulu apa saja petunjuk yang diberitahu Rasulullah, ya saya bertaklid buta.
Iya.
Maknanya saya tak payah-payah pikir, karena beliau kan
Tidak
dapat
Iya,
tak perlu pikir,
tidak perlu diragukan lagi.
tak perlu diragukan.
Iya, iya. Yes, that was what he said when if it's something that Islam or when it's sunnah practice, you don't need to have doubts in it anymore. You just do it.
Yes,
You just
correct.
follow.
Hak.
Yeah.
Iya.
MashaAllah. True. Even if you see dogs and cats, they drink not immediately. Sometimes, especially dogs, after 20 minutes, you know.
Really?
If observed, yes.
Oh,
So they follow body clock, you know. They know animals.
yeah. Isa bilang kalau kucing dengan anjing juga begitu. Ketika makan mereka nggak minum.
Iya, 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 iya.
Eat then sit, wait. I see this
Yeah.
many times.
Betul, itu natural ya.
Natural, yeah.
Iya, secara natural ya benar.
Ya itulah alam terkembang menjadi guru. Jadi apa-apa yang terjadi itu kita boleh ambil hikmah, ambil pelajaran.
Iya, iya benar sekali.
Dan kenapa saya juga suka sop kambing?
Iya.
Kambing itu ketika makan betul-betul dia makan dari yang bersih.
Oh iya
Nah,
iya iya.
coba perhatikan kambing kalau dia makan daun-daunan, dia tidak mau memakan daunan yang telah dia injak.
Oh.
Nah, itu sebabnya kambing itu selalu kalau dipagar orang mau makan daun-daunan, dia ambil yang tinggi-tinggi. Nah, dia kalau yang bekas terinjak dia sendiri pun dia tak akan makan.
Bersih ya.
Bersih. Jadi misal keinjak sama yang kaki depannya karena dia mengangkat kaki, itu juga dia tak mau makan sudah.
Oh, Masya Allah.
Hmm.
Iya. Isa juga pernah bilang
Oh.
pasal fakta ini.
Mm-mm.
He said that the kambing, the
Yes.
goat, they goat or sheep, goat.
Go.
That they are very clean animals and they don't eat when
They
they
eat out.
step on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
and,
too.
and I thought that this is a fact that you have told me before also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are very clear. Very.
Yeah. And
Goats.
that's why he said he likes to eat soup kambing because it's a clean animal.
They are selective.
Ya.
Very selective.
Yeah.
True.
So
Master likes the kambing soup.
yeah.
I like the tulang.
Tulang ya. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
By the way, mommy,
Yeah.
it's good to cook some tulang tomorrow.
Yeah. I can go to the market to buy.
Yeah, maybe because I like the soup and my chili.
Yes. Yeah. Easier will make.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you tired, mommy? Sleepy?
No, I'm okay now. At least I got some sleep.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
But
Tadi kami siang, alhamdulillah saya dengan Isa bercakap dengan anak saya yang nomor 2 dan 3.
Iya.
Kebetulan dulu yang waktu yang dari Swedia datang, ya dialah penterjemahnya.
Oh dia. Oh.
Jadi
Ini yang Kartika ya namanya?
ya yang Kartika yang sudah pernah ke Singapura. Saya beritahu dia itu kamu punya tante ada di Singapura, kapan-kapan kamu jalan lagi, ya kamu boleh ke sana Wadia Girang.
Kapan-kapan saja
Iya.
insyaAllah.
Ya, dia senang sekali ya.
they are beautiful
Yeah.
children, mommy.
Yeah, I know it.
Kartika looks like some Arab, you know.
Oh,
And,
really?
and
Suci.
Suci
Number
is
3.
like Turkish. Too.
Turki ya.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Yeah,
very beautiful
really
children,
good.
mashallah.
Mashallah.
I will show you photos, very nice.
Jadi saya punya anak-anak itu unik.
Mashallah.
Nomor 1 macam Arab, agak ke India. Nomor 2 itu Arab betul. Nomor 3 Turki. Nomor 4 Korea. Itu yang laki-laki
He's
Korea.
funny, you know. He is funny, not the girls.
Betul Korea.
Antara bangsa ya?
Iya, terbangsa.
Strange.
Mm-mm.
Strange ya?
Yeah, doesn't look like master at all. He's like Korean. He also.
Maybe looks like Master's wife?
No, I don't think so.
Mm.
Oh,
Mm.
I don't think so. But you know, these are Allah knows. But
Yeah.
he looks like some Korea Gangnam Style.
Mm-mm.
yes.
It's funny, very funny.
The 10th version of Korean.
No, he's white. Yes, Bule.
Okay.
He's fair. Yes,
Mm-mm.
exactly. He looks like that.
Iya.
MashaAllah.
Yeah, mashallah. Yeah.
The girls are.
Kartika is the second daughter.
Kartika is the second.
Iya.
Second. Yes.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Suci ya?
Oh, my
Yang
beautiful,
nomor
mashallah.
3, Suci.
Suci ya, Suci Ramadhani.
Oh, Suci umurnya berapa?
Suci lahir 98. Berarti 20.
20 tahun ya.
Mm-mm.
Very nice children. Also the small one, Afika. Oh,
Eh.
so sayang.
Iya.
Yes, so sayang. Really.
Yang besar semuanya udah habis sekolahnya.
Sudah.
Oh iya, mashallah.
Very nice.
They're all the middle school, mashallah.
Yeah.
Daughters, yeah.
Oh yes, they are. Inshallah, Allah help them be good in
Allah
life.
protect them.
Inshallah.
Iya, amin.
Yes. We
inshallah, Allah protect them for Master and Master for them.
Ameen.
Inshallah.
Yes, inshallah ta'ala.
That's my prayer always. You can translate this prayer. Allah protect them for Master and Master for them.
I'm paham.
faham. Oh,
Amin.
Yeah,
alhamdulillah.
he understands. Yeah.
Yes, mashallah. Like this, you know.
Yeah.
Protect penjagaan.
Yes.
Iya, betul.
For each other.
Iya.
Iya. Yeah, he understands.
Master speaks English if he has no choice to translate.
Yes, I know.
Iya.
He
Dalam masa
surprised
yang
me.
sama belajar ya.
Hah?
Dalam masa yang sama boleh
Boleh ya.
belajar juga.
Boleh belajar juga.
Yeah.
But last night when we were left, before we talked with you,
Yeah.
Master surprised me. I hear him speaking in English words, let's say in 10 words, 6 are English. Then I said, oh, Master knows, mashallah. Should not use the
Mashallah,
gadgets.
mashallah.
Should not use gadgets to translate them after we talk. It's nice, mashallah.
Yes, mashallah. Nice. So you just stayed home the whole day?
Yes, whole day we were home. Actually, not stay 21, you know. So we